Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will discuss about the blog article, the blog post which are available on studyeasy.org. Now friends, when we create these courses, behind the scene we research, behind the scene there is a specific chunk of information which is planned to deliver in a specific video, right? And based on these videos we have also started to create these articles. We are also working on ebooks, which is a greater picture, which will be available on Kindle, which will be available on our website, but that's a different story. But in short, we are also working on articles, and many of the articles are already available and many of the articles are in progress. So our website is getting updated day by day, and these articles are made available via a external link on Udemy. So if an article is available, you will also get an external link directly to my website where the article is hosted. If you are watching the videos on our own platform studyeasy.org, definitely the articles will be directly embedded in the lectures itself, so definitely giving you a better user experience on our own platform. So this is something which is made available to you, and definitely you can feel free to check out our articles, and also feel free to visit our website studyeasy.org, and definitely articles can be useful. Now the use case, the scenario where the articles are most useful is revisiting the concept. So once you are done with your course, once you know the concept and you wish to revisit the concept, if you wish to revisit the concept later down the line, definitely you can watch the video or you can read the article, and that can definitely help you to revisit the concept. And I would prefer reading the article because that will save you more time, and that is more convenient to get started, and it will give you a better search option. You can simply search for the concept, and definitely on studyeasy.org you should find the article for the same. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and see ya.